Hey guys, it's Tracy with Farm Alarm. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be clearing out a little bit of land for some sheeps that we're getting, for some sheeps. I think it's sheep. And if you haven't seen the video where we went and got some livestock racks for the truck, I'll leave that right here. A little bright there. Hold on, let me turn that down. Right there. Now you can see my hand. So I will leave, like I said, I'll leave that link right there. We're also going to be, actually in 2 days, we're going to get some sheep. And what else? So we're clearing some land. We're on what we call our back 40 right now. And we've got a lot of woods, as you see behind me. I'll show you here in a second. But we're clearing some of those trees out. And because we got about the same amount of land, field land we have right here back in the woods. So we're not going to take all the trees out. Of course, we don't want to do that. But we're going to be working on some... cutting down some trees today, and just a bunch of saplings and some small trees. I know we're gonna have a lot of brush. Not really sure what the next step is. We'll just have to see how much brush we actually get. And the neighbor's property, he really doesn't use that over there, so he said that we're more than welcome to lease that from him to run some sheep on. We haven't talked the price yet, but he said we're more than welcome to, so we'll see how welcome we want to be to that. And so anyways, let's get to checking it out, and we're going to go over there and actually measure his land off before we get to cutting some trees. So stay tuned. All right, so you can see where he's running from over that wood line. That's back where we just came from. And a lot of this, about, well, I don't know, maybe a third of what he has here, which goes all the way around, goes to that wood line, and then past behind this little section here. But about a third of it is woods, so which really does us no good, but there is a decent amount of little pasture here that the sheep could benefit from. I just walked that off, and there's about 670 foot of fence line, and I haven't figured out what that is, but that's not really a whole lot of land. But that will actually, we're not trying to get a lot of sheep, just probably 2 ewes and a ram, and then we'll just let those 2 ewes lamb out however many times a year, and then we'll just keep selling off those lambs. That's what we're trying to do. So just a little extra fun project, just a little fun project for my wife. I guess the next step is, if you could see the trees behind me, from between me and my neighbor, most of those are on me, so we're actually right now going to start taking out most of those little trees. Oh man, it's starting to snow. This is crazy. So this was all saplings and just junk, trees, small trees. Everything that was a nice tree we saved. And I mean, this was just full of everything. I mean, there was no walking ground right here whatsoever. So as you can see, big brush piles. We're gonna have to get something in here for that. But we've got a lot more trees all the way over there from the road. All this right here, probably from the tree line right here, we're gonna go maybe back like 50 foot into the tree line. And I mean, there's plenty of other trees down there. What's going on with you?
Watch out, you're gonna get knocked over.
Oh yeah?
I'm playing tug of war with the trees. And they're winning.
You got lots of muscles. Look at all this vinage growing up here. This was actually entangled around all of those trees that were here. And that's just really horrible for good tree conservation. So that right there will kill your trees. As you can see, we got quite a bit of trees cut down today. Over here, over my shoulder there, you can see some brush piles. And at this point, we're actually, the wood's green and that brush really isn't gonna burn too well. And there's a lot more trees here than we really want to take out. So we've taken quite a bit out. If you can see right over the shoulder here where we had previously went through Dennis's land, or the neighbor's land right there, where the tractor was setting. So we've cleared out a tremendous amount of trees right there, but there's way more trees that we have to clear out, and it's just taking too much time. Plus all that brush is green and it just is not going to burn too well. My experience in the past, we've had huge piles of brush that was all green timber, and we light it and the majority, well, about half of it burns. Then you're left with a tremendous amount of green wood, and basically what that boils down to is you're left with a pile of brush for about a year. And I don't want to tie up my land with a pile of brush. So we're actually having my uncle come with his skid loader, or not his skid loader, his track loader tomorrow. And he's actually gonna push all this brush down in the woods and take out some more trees with that track loader. It is freezing. So what a day. Can you believe how crazy it got? It was nice and sunny, then it turned off cold and snowy. How wild, but that's Missouri for you, Missouri weather. It is so cold out here. About to fire up the old wood stove again right there. And good night of living. Look at that. I need a haircut. My mom said, I like your bangs. How wild. So anyway, thanks again, and we will see you. Oh wait, hold on. Have you left yet? Look at this, hold on. Let me get this. Look at this right here. I'll give you a hint what that is. We got 4 boxes from the Ups man today. I just about fell over some wood there. So I'm gonna light this stove. It's really cold right now. And thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't yet. I don't know if I've been saying that. You'll subscribe if you wanted to. I don't have to tell you. Everybody says subscribe, but okay, hey, thanks again for watching, and we will see you on the next one.